Assalamualaikum students. Today the date is 23rd June 2020 and the day is Tuesday. We have started our exercise chapter number 9. We have solved and answered the 7 questions. Now we are going to answer from question number 8. Question is, derive equilibrium constant expression for the synthesis of ammonia from nitrogen and hydrogen. Write down the answer. The reaction for the synthesis of ammonia is as nitrogen plus hydrogen ammonia. You have to derive its equilibrium constant. Rate of reverse reaction is equal to Kr. Equilibrium constant. The expression for equilibrium constant of a reaction is Kc is equal to you have to write the line before writing the equilibrium constant. The expression for the equilibrium constant of reaction is this. This is the answer of question number 8. Now the next question is, write the equilibrium constant expression for the following reaction. आपने इन रिएक्शंस का भी सेम इसी तरह से ही इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट एक्सप्रेशन लिखनी है. पहले आपने रिएक्शन लिखने है, फिर रेट ऑफ फॉरवर्ड रिएक्शन लिखनी है, रेट ऑफ रिवर्स रिएक्शन लिखना है, फिर इनका आपने इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट का फाइंड आउट करना है. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन भी सेम आपके ऊपर वाले क्वेश्चन की तरह का ही है. हाउ द डायरेक्शन ऑफ अ रिएक्शन कैन बी प्रिडिक्टेड. राइट द आंसर. Direction of chemical reaction at any particular moment can be predicted by knowing the numerical values of equilibrium constant of a chemical reaction and comparing this with reaction quotient. I repeated, direction of a chemical reaction at any particular moment can be predicted by knowing the numerical values of equilibrium constant of a chemical reaction and comparing this with reaction quotient. Next is question number 11. How can you know that a reaction has achieved at equilibrium state? Answer is, if the value of forward becomes equal to reverse, the reaction is said to be in equilibrium state. Thus, QC is equal to KC. Such reactions have comparable amount of reactants and products at equilibrium position. Another indication is free energy change is 0. Another indication is free energy change is 0. Next question is, what are the characteristics of reaction that establishes equilibrium state and at once? Answer is there are following important characteristics of such reactions. Point number 1, the reaction is reversible. Point number 2, rates of forward and reverse reaction become equal. Point number 3, amount of reaction and products remains the same. Point number 4, it can be restarted and achieved again under specific condition. Next question is, if reaction quotient QC of reaction is more than Kc, what will be the direction of the reaction? Answer is, if reaction quotient QC is large than equilibrium constant Kc, the reaction will go from right to left. The reaction will go from right to left. आपने इसके अंदर ये वाला जो पॉइंट है सेकंड आपने इसको ड्रॉ करना है. नेक्स्ट है, लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज, एन इंडस्ट्री वॉज इस्टेब्लिश्ड based upon a reversible reaction. It failed to achieve products on commercial level. Can you point out the basic reason of its failure? Being a chemist, you have to tell that what happened to the industry. Answer is, there are following certain reasons of failure of reaction. The reaction is, point number 1, reaction is reversible, so products recombine to form reactants and dynamic equilibrium is established. Point number 2, reaction condition like temperature, pressure and catalyst are not satisfied. These are the reasons based upon reversible reaction, because the industry was established based on reversible reaction. Note all these answers on your notebook. You have to learn it. If you find any difficulty, highlight it and clear it. Next is your extensive questions, and you have studied all in the chapter. Mark them, and if you do not find the answer, then ask. We will solve numericals in the next lecture. Thank you.